Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to allocate more RAM to Project Zomboid. To start, open your Steam library. Right-click Project Zomboid, then go to Manage, then browse Local Files. Find a file called projectzomboid64.json. Right-click and open it with Notepad or any other text editor. Inside, look for the line that contains -xmx numbers M. This is the maximum RAM the game will use. It will likely be something like -xmx 3072M or 3 GB. To allocate more RAM, change that number to the amount you want in megabytes. For example, if you want 4 gigs of RAM, type -xmx 4096M. For 6 gig, type -xmx 6144M. For 8 gigs, type -xmx 8192M. Just make sure you don't allocate more than about half of your total system RAM so your computer still has memory for Windows and other apps. Save the file, then launch the game normally. It will now start with the new RAM limit you set. If the game crashes after allocation, double-check your values and make sure your system has enough free RAM available. Allocating too much can prevent the game from starting. And that's how you allocate more RAM to Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.